Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fold your Audi Q7 side mirrors. First, locate the mirror control knob on your driver's side door panel. This knob is typically found near the window controls. To fold the mirrors, simply rotate this knob to the 6 o'clock position, where you will see a distinct mirror fold icon. The mirrors will then electrically retract inward, or extend outward if they are already folded. This method offers immediate control for tight spaces. For automatic convenience, you can configure your Q7's mirrors to fold when you lock the car. Begin by accessing your MMI system and selecting the vehicle menu. From there, navigate to Vehicle Settings and then choose Central Locking. Within this menu, you will find an option to fold mirrors. Ensure this setting is turned on, and your mirrors will automatically retract every time you lock your vehicle. Some Audi Q7 models also allow you to fold the mirrors using your key fob. Simply press and hold the lock button on your key fob, and the mirrors will retract. This is particularly useful when parking in tight spaces, such as a garage or a crowded street, or when entering an automatic car wash. Folding your mirrors helps protect them from accidental bumps and scrapes, extending their lifespan and maintaining your vehicle's appearance. While convenient, remember a few important tips for mirror care. If your Q7 has power folding mirrors, avoid manually forcing them to fold or unfold, as this can damage the internal motor mechanism. Always ensure your mirrors are fully extended before driving to maintain optimal visibility and safety. For any specific model variations or troubleshooting, always refer to your Audi Q7 owner's manual for the most accurate and detailed guidance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.